Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to install the Patreon app on the device. Now if you want to install the Patreon app on the device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to install the Patreon app on the device, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on the device. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device, you won't be able to install it on the device. So after being connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, you just need to open App Store on an iPhone, and if you are a user of Android, then you just need to open Play Store on a device. So this is the homepage of App Store, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar, and you will click on the option of search box at the very top. So from here you just need to search the app Patreon, also known as Patreon. So this is the Patreon app, where is number of size of the download and various other things. So if you click on the option of get, which is highlighted on blue, it asks you to verify yourself by double pressing on the power button, or it may also ask you for a face ID. So simply follow the process and click on the option of install. So by doing all of it, you will be able to install the Patreon app on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.